In this video, I will show you how to buy tickets on Viagogo. So first just go and open up Viagogo and just go to the concert or event that you want to buy tickets for. For example, Post Malone right here. And once you are at the artist or the sport or whatever you want to buy tickets for, just go to the actual event that you want to buy it for example this one, and click See Tickets. Then once you get to the actual tickets, you can then select how many tickets you want to buy, so I'll say 2, and then we want to be seated together, yes or no, and then click continue. Here you can see an overview of the actual event and the prices for tickets at different locations. For example, if I want to buy tickets here, then I can just click on it right there, and then it will find some listings in that actual area. And what you can also do is over at the right here, instead of sorting by price, you can sort by best view or best price and view. So for example, if I do sort by best price and view, you can then see which tickets have good pricing and good view. So for example, if I want to buy this one, then I can click on it and then here click on select and then here click start. And now from here, you can then just go and click continue and actually purchase the ticket. So buying this as a gift, is this your first time seeing this person? So just go and follow these steps and then you have successfully bought tickets on Viagogo. So now you know how to buy on Viagogo. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.